students, class 10, example sum 8.10. Find the mean and variance of the first n natural number. We want to find the mean and variance of the first n natural number. We know that what is the first n natural number. See, first n natural number means 1, 2, 3 up to the number n is the first n natural number. First n natural numbers are 1, 2, 3 up to n. Now we want to find out that mean and variance. To find the mean means we want to find out what is the summation xi, sum of this number. Sum of this number is 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. We know that sum of the natural number, we have the formula, this term sum of the natural number is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. In chapter 2 we have already studied about sum of the n natural number. We have the formula n into n plus 1 divided by 2, right? And then here we want to find the mean. Mean x bar is equal to summation xi divided by n. See, summation xi is the value n into n plus 1 divided by 2 divided by n. So here the n will be cancelled. Here n will be cancelled. Then we get that value x bar is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. It is mean. Now we want to find the variance. Variance means we know that standard deviation square is the variance. Sigma square is equal to, without the square root we have to write that value summation xi square divided by n minus summation xi divided by n is the formula, whole square. Standard deviation means we have root. Variance means we are taking the square of that standard deviation. So sigma square is equal to summation xi square divided by n minus summation xi divided by n whole square. Now summation xi divided by n, we have already found out that the value n plus 1 divided by 2 is the summation xi divided by n. Now we want to find out what is the summation xi square. We know the formula for summation xi. Xi square means each and every data should be squared and adding the term up to n square. For this summation xi square, sum of the squares of the natural number, we know the formula n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 is the summation of x square formula, n into n plus 1 divided 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Now in this place we are going to apply the value n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 divided by 6 in the term. So the variance sigma square is equal to summation xi square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Here we have that another denominator n minus summation xi divided by n is nothing but x bar. X bar is nothing but summation xi divided by n. So here we have the value as n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square. Now here n will be cancelled. So we get the term n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 minus, if you square the term we get, see, numerator we have n plus 1 whole square divided by 2 square is nothing but 4. Now multiply the term numerator, binomial into binomial form, n into 2n equal to 2n square, n into 1 is n, 1 into 2n is 2n, 1 into 1 is 1 divided by 6 minus, it is in the form of a plus b whole square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square divided by 4. Now n plus 2n is 3n, right? 2n square plus 3n plus 1 minus of n square plus 2n plus 1 whole divided by 6 4s are 24, and then cross multiplication we get 4 into this number and then 6 into this number. See, here I add this two term and taking LCM, 6 4s are 24 and cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means 4 is multiple with this term, that is 4 into the 6 is multiple with this term. Now multiple the 4 and 6 inside, we get 4 2s are 8n square, 4 3s are 12n, 4 1s are 4 minus 6, we are taking minus 6 to inside, so minus 6n square, minus 6 into 2 is minus 12n minus 6 divided by 24. Now see, 12n plus 12n minus 12n both are cancelled. Next 8n square minus 6n square is equal to 2n square, and then plus 4 minus 6 is equal to minus 2 divided by 24. Now we get 2n square minus 2 divided by 24. 2 will be taken out commonly. 2 into n square minus 1 divided by 24. 2 1s are 2 12s are. So the variance sigma square is equal to n square minus 1 divided by 12 is the answer, is the variance, and then mean x bar is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2 is the answer. Thank you, students.